Go easy smile. Irregular slippery steps on approach to fortress. Can be flooded with Perpetuous or Accelerus of Velocious. Deliberately irregular and difficult to traverse because that path is not usually taken by the local troops except for in an emergency. The battalion that charged with the maintenance and security of the prefabricated modular fortress, or hospital, workshop or stockpile etc., usually enters via reinforced tunnel network or are transposed in and out or airlifted. Many units that are stationed in fortresses such as these are issued with jet packs as standard equipment, or helipacks in the case of many southern nations, or turbine or vapor expulsion packs etc., or, at the very least there is some small flying, airborne, air mobile, aero wing, aero capable, depending on which alliance is defining the terms. Moat patrol serpentine floating train-like vehicle, also with raising towers and submersible capability. Some can fly around the moat tethered by force very quickly to avoid incoming fire. Gas over the moat. Layer of holographic medium over outside of fortress to suggest to low-tech overflying aircraft that below there is only forest/swamp etc. Holograms vary greatly in complexity, price and effectiveness. Techcrete all forms of polygon perfect formwork and reinforcement stronger by +2, +4, +6 Aerth over normal concrete very highly engineered, extremely highly engineered, ultra highly engineered. Also lends small absorption bonus if structure is on the cusp of better absorption. Also lends itself to form-fitting and prefabricated structures because each pierce and be specifically engineered for the specific part of the specific location. Would be 3x, 5x and 8x more expensive and one category less frequent for each step. Offshore cage fighting facility. Hardened materials, 8th rank skill of the mighty, engineering. Techcrete. Detailed above. Diacrete. Concrete/Aerth diamond. Udacrete. Concrete/Utopium NB. Non-reinforced, bound together chemically in cement compound. Exulcrete. Concrete/Euphorium. Kevlocrete. Concrete/Kevlar. Vulcrete. Rubberized concrete. Zadersecrete. Ultra-conductive concrete. Advanced hardened materials, 10th rank for some. 9th for others. 12th for yet others and others not at all. Uvacrete. Concrete/Euphorium. Paradocrete. Even more detailed analysis and technology within microcells and filaments within the blocks. Teflacrete. Ultra-slippery concrete. Useful for Perpetuous/Accelerus/Velocious Washington. Potentiocrete. Concrete that actually incorporates solar elements for charging, or discharging. Hadacrete. Concrete/Hadium. Dreadnoucrete. Concrete/Dreadnium. Statocrete. Concrete with latent shocking buildup due to engineering and materials. The faster and longer it is traversed without protection or insulation results in greater amounts of arcing damage DBP right up to D100, D100P. Catalycrete. Concrete that can be dissolved almost instantaneously with the application of the secret catalyst. This can be mega useful if infrastructure, such as bunkers or bridges, are not to be left for the enemy to use when withdrawing from a province or region. But also structures and defensive buildings can use this in an effective way. The enemy is allowed to enter the seemingly secure buildings and bridges are used eventually to shift quality expensive machines of war and or construction across rivers etc. Then they are hit from the air/mortar/artillery/drifting cloud etc. with the chemical necessary to dissolve said buildings, bridges, piers, water supplies etc., causing much death, destruction and chaos if there are eyes on the ground direct to end the chemical assault. Then backed up with decent weaponry. They know too much. Chabacrete. Concrete incorporating Chabamax technology to deflect shot. Stalwartcrete. Highest form of intricately engineered concrete working with detailed heavy metal alloys of incredibly diverse tensile/heat resistance/molecular structure and ductility qualities. Uridicrete. Concrete/Viridium, Citricrete, Hadacrete, Concrete/Hadium, Apolycrete, Concrete/Apollium. Bay gardening. Trees are magically manipulated and manicured to form paths and tunnels. Some Fae can make these paths close over, trapping those that cannot fly inside. Mazes of wood. Also used for trapping game by Ket Druid's Embrace of the forest.